Hey, I'm Andrew from LeapWorx. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use Equal Height Global feature from Premium Addons for Elementor. It's completely free. This feature will help you make your designs look neat and uniform by giving your columns or widgets equal heights, no matter the content inside. It's available across most Premium Addons widgets, allowing you to apply it to various elements on your site. Well, with Equal Height Global feature, you can fix that in just a few clicks. Let's discover how it works. Before we dive in, make sure you have Premium Addons for Elementor free plugin and Elementor page builder installed and activated on your WordPress website. Once you've finished, go to Premium Addons tab, select Global Features, and make sure the Equal Height feature is enabled. Now let's jump into Elementor Editor and see Equal Height feature in action. I have 3 columns each with a premium icon box, and they all have different amounts of text. This can make the layout look uneven and messy. Let's see how to fix that. First, navigate to the parent container that holds these widgets. Then, open the Advanced tab and look for Equal Height Control. Toggle the switch on, and once it's enabled, you'll see 2 options. You can apply equal height directly to a specific widget or use a custom CSS selector to target specific elements within the widget. Let's begin by exploring how to work with widgets. For this example, choose Icon Box as your target widget. With this option, all the icon boxes will be adjusted to match the height of the tallest widget, creating a clean, even layout. Next, use Trigger On option to control how and when the equal height effect activates, whether you want it to trigger on page load or when the user scrolls. Then, specify the devices on which you want this feature to apply: desktop, tablet, or mobile. And just like that, your icon boxes are perfectly aligned. Now let's explore how to use Custom Selector option. This is ideal when you need to align specific elements within a widget rather than the entire widget. Let's say you have the same 3 icon box widgets, but this time, you want to align the content boxes specifically, not the entire widget. First, we need to get the CSS class for the content boxes. To do this, right-click anywhere on your web page outside of Elementor and choose Inspect. In the Developer Tools, click the arrow icon to select an element. In this example, I want to select the content box, so I'll click on it to highlight the relevant code. Once you have found the class name, copy it, then go back to the parent container, open the Advanced tab, and follow the same steps. But this time, select Apply on Custom Selector. In the Selectors field, paste the CSS class you found earlier, making sure to add a dot before it. Now only the content within the icon boxes will be adjusted to the same height, keeping the overall look clean and uniform without affecting other parts of the widgets. And there you have it. 2 easy methods to make sure your icon boxes look consistent and professional. And that's how easy it is to use Equal Height Global feature from Premium Addons for Elementor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.